Make punching bags, boxing punch bag. Learn how to make cheap punching bags for boxing at home. Boxing is a great sport to increase your cardio strength and endurance. It's also a great stress reliever. When beginning boxing, you might not be ready to make the costly investment needed to join a boxing gym or buy the at-home equipment. If this is the case, you can improvise and make a punching bag at home with very little money. Materials: military duffel bags, scissors, sand, several empty trash bags, foam, old clothes. How to make punching bags. Purchase the materials. Head to your local army surplus store to purchase a duffel bag. The heavy canvas material is perfect, and the long, cylinder shape will make a great heavy bag. Choose a duffel without zippers if possible. Then visit your local craft store for foam sheets at least 2 inches thick. An old foam mattress pad also might work. Line the bag with foam. You want to protect your hands while punching and help the bag last a while, so you need the foam layer. Cut the foam so that it fits as a liner for the entire inside of the bag around the sides. Then cut out a bottom and top circle. Wedge the bottom circle in and set the top aside. Place the weight. These provide little resistance without some weight. The easiest way to weight it is to gather some sand. Place it into a trash bag and wrap the bag until it is closed tightly. It might take some experimenting to get the right amount of sand. You are aiming for at least a 1 to 2 inch layer at the bottom of the bag. Once you have a round section and the bag is secure, place it into another and tie it tight. Repeat this with several bags so that you don't later hit and find sand flying everywhere. Place the sand wrapped in several bags down into the punching bag on top of the bottom layer of foam. Arrange so there is a gap between the foam and the sand bag. Fill with foam pieces and old clothes. Place the clothes and foam in several layers and fill the bag so that there are no dents or gaps. Try as much as possible to stuff the bag so there are few air spaces. Then place the top round piece of foam. Secure and hang. Once it is full and the top layer of foam has been placed, you need to tie off or zip the bag closed. How the top closes will depend upon the bag. After it is secure, you will need to hang from a hook or support. Be careful if you are hanging from the ceiling, because all your punching may damage the drywall and you will need a strong ceiling joist to secure the bag without damaging your home. Boxing has become a very popular sport, and thus many people are interested in learning how to make their own equipment so they can save money while deciding whether or not they like the sport. By following these steps you can learn how to make one at home for under $40. You should be able to use it in your new boxing routine for months before it begins to show wear.